Hey guys, welcome back. Have you started to think about how you're going to decorate Christmas this year, but you don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck because today I have all the inspiration you need with 16 stunning Christmas tree designs. And the best part is, you can consider me your personal shopping assistant because I have put together a shopping list for each tree so that you can go on Amazon today and shop your favorite look, getting that magical Christmas of your dreams without even leaving your living room. So if that sounds great to you, then get yourself a cup of nice hot chocolate and let's get started. The first look is called the Royal Sugar Plum. Now this is just absolutely one of my favorite trees. This is why I have it in the beginning, of course. I love the beautiful royal colors that you see here with that royal purple and the deep blue and the gold touches that just really accent this tree beautifully. I think that it's a stunning designer looking piece that anyone could really show off this Christmas season. And so how do you get a tree to look like this? So first of all, I would recommend that you actually go away from a traditional green tree in this look and go for something like a deep purple or a blue underlying color. And the reason that you want to do that is because if any of the tree that's peeking through, it's not going to take away from the design. And so, you know, some of these trees, they have a very full appearance because they're completely covered in ornaments or picks, and sometimes that's not economical. And so by starting with a tree base that is a similar style and design of the tree, that's really going to help you get this look without necessarily buying as many accessories to put on the tree. Now, the second part of designing a tree is getting the right ribbon. And so most of the trees that we will see today have a ribbon that we're going to be using. And this one is no exception. So getting the deep purple ribbon as well as the turquoise blue ribbon. Then you want to add in your picks. Most of the picks on this tree are a beautiful gold leaf looking floral type design pick. You can get different picks in scrolls or in leaves. I have a lot of nice options for you that you can, these are easy to find on Amazon, that you can go through and pick out for yourself what is the most interesting to you. Then I think the showstopper of this tree are these large floral pieces. And so this is actually something that I want to do a DIY on video for you to show you how to make these. But for those of you who would just like to go ahead and purchase these and skip the DIY portion, there's a nice magnolia piece, large scale, as well as a large poinsettia that I have in the shopping list that can kind of resemble this appearance. Ornaments of the tree, you're going to want to do blues, purples, and even you could add in some of that really hot magenta type pink to accent those colors. And then also the gold finials, which are really going to put in that upscale appearance to the tree. Now to top it off, you're going to want to try and get something of the base of the tree to look really elegant. For example, one of these collars that are now really popular, I would consider getting one in gold to really accent this tree and to make it look as elegant as possible to get this royal sugar plum look. Now maybe you're thinking that you're going to buy a purple Christmas tree and be pigeonholed into one style of decorating, but there's actually another really popular type of style for Christmas tree this year, and it's this kind of lilac purple theme. And I've seen this done on some white Christmas trees and some green Christmas trees, and to be honest with you, I actually don't prefer the look of that tree when it has that lilac purple on the white. I think that it looks a little bit it doesn't have that class feeling, it doesn't have that elegance feeling. I would much rather go for something monochromatic like this, where it's just everything is purple from top to bottom. And so there's very little accent on this tree. It's all purple from top to bottom. It's just really elegant and really has that high design, high style effect. So if you didn't like that previous look, or maybe you would like to have some versatility to the tree, where one year you would do a blue and purple look, and you would like to know that you can use that tree for different looks or different approaches in the future, then you can try something like this. This also looks very high-end. You've got all monochromatic colors you see here, from the ornaments to the florals to the picks. There's a little bit of gold floral touches of picks in there, but other than that, it is absolutely just a stunning lilac purple tree. And so, you know, that's something to keep in mind, that even when you think about buying a colored tree, there's definitely different ways that you can utilize that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. It would be awesome if you did, if you could leave me a thumbs up and subscribe, because you don't want to miss our next video on the super popular Candyland theme. And there are so many more to come, so it's just going to be a lot of fun. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.